Hello students, our today's topic is dunning. So now we will run our dunning procedure by transaction code F150 or by SAP S accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing and dunning. SAP में जाते हैं. SAP S accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing and dunning. We will run dunning on 1st August 2024 or 1st July 2024. Identification mark ZTRE1D. Now click on parameter, enter the date 1st July 2024. डॉक्यूमेंट्स कहाँ तक क्लियर करने हैं हमें? 1 जुलाई 2024. Then company code TRE1. Select our customer and supplier. We will assign all vendor and customer. Click on continue. Now supplier, click on continue button. Click on status, से पैरामीटर्स yes. तो देखो हमारे पैरामीटर्स मेंटेन हो गए. नाउ क्लिक ऑन शेड्यूल, enter your output device, then click on continue button. Start date is 1st July 2024. Click on start immediately. Click on dunning print with scheduling and then click on dispatch. Okay, 0 dunning notices. Press enter, then click on dunning list. Click on continue button. Now click on back button, then click on exception list. Okay, we will go back and assign it BP or for all customer. FK03. here click on start button. Rainbow customer vendor, double click on it, enter our dunning procedure, click on dunning areas 01 ZTR1, click on continue and then save. Again /n BP, our next supplier, click on start. Double click on it, enter our dunning procedure, dunning areas 01 ZTR1, save it. Now come back, again enter BP. Now we will assign /n FD03. Click on environment, go to FBMP, select our procedure, environment, company code data, click on position, enter our company code and click on turning area, reference code, we will assign TRE1, then click on save button. Close and come back to our procedure. Dunning. Now click on dunning notice, delete dunning run. We'll try it for 1st July. Click on parameters. Okay, schedule LP01, continue. 01/07/2024, dispatch. Okay, we will run for today, just delete it. Delete dunning. 11th October 2024, parameter 11th October 2024, same date for document, company code customer mark red 1. Continue. Just press enter. कस्टमर को भी असाइन कर देते हैं BP कस्टमर नंबर start, double click on it, click on change, customer correspondence ZTR1, dunning areas 01 ZTR1, save. Come back again, BP, enter another vendor, click on start, double click on it and add ZTR1, dunning areas 01 and ZTR1, continue and then click on save button. Come back. Okay, now we will assign all suppliers. Now click on continue button and then click on status. Yes. Click on schedule. Enter your output device. Click on start immediately, dunning with scheduling, and then click on dispatch. Fine. Individual dunning notices TRE1, print preview, test run. Minimum charges and dunning interest. ओके, यहाँ पर ज़रूरत नहीं है डनिंग के लिए. इफ़ हमारे में से होंगे तो भी इनवॉइसेस अगर ड्यू है तो वो हमें दिखा देगा. नो डनिंग नोटिसेस. कम बैक, sample printout LP01, just select our customer, click on print preview button, करंट लॉग चेक करते हैं।